How to repair corrupted video files in Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can repair corrupted video files in Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically repair corrupted video files on your Android phone, all you have to do is first of all make sure to download this application from your Play Store called MP4 Fix Video Repair Tool. Once you download this application, open it up, give it the required permission. The app will automatically scan your phone and look for any of the videos that needs to be recovered. Now in my case, I don't have any recoverable videos. Any video that I have is already properly working, so you can see I've got a couple of videos here, but they're perfectly working, so I don't have to do anything about it. It will automatically determine any sort of video files that it needs to recover. You can select it, then it will be able to repair it for you. This way you'll be able to repair corrupted video files in Android. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.